Food is broadly categorized into three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates encompass a wide range of foods, from unprocessed whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, and lentils, to refined options like pastas and breads, as well as candies, sweets, pastries, crackers, potato chips, and soft drinks. As we discussed in Module 2, different types of carbohydrates impact our blood sugar at varying rates, leading to a corresponding insulin surge. While carbohydrates are not essential for sustaining life, fruits, vegetables, and herbs are our sources of fiber and phytonutrients that favorably optimize our health. As noted in Module 1, fiber improves our gut microbiome as gut bacteria feed on it to produce essential short-chain fatty acids like butyrate and propionate, which are vital for maintaining and optimizing our health. Phytonutrients are biochemical compounds found in plants that offer beneficial functions such as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and phytoestrogenic properties. Regardless of whether it's a donut or an apple, carbohydrates contain glucose, which elevates our blood glucose after consumption, triggering insulin release. A higher glucose spike results in a higher insulin response, and increased insulin levels contribute to higher body fat deposits. Insulin remains in our bloodstream for approximately 2 hours, and while present, it inhibits body fat breakdown. This means that no matter how much you exercise, insulin can block fat burning. I have an upcoming video that will illustrate this in detail. Proteins are composed of amino acids. Most amino acids stimulate protein synthesis, the process of creating proteins for our cells, tissues, and organs, and also for energy production. Many amino acids are necessary for the production of hormones like testosterone and thyroid, and similarly, many are required to create neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. We obtain amino acids from both animal and plant sources. The advantage of obtaining amino acids from animal products is that these sources typically contain all 9 essential amino acids in optimal ratios, making them complete proteins. Animal products also offer the highest concentration of amino acids. Conversely, amino acids obtained from plant sources may not contain a complete set of essential amino acids and are not as easily absorbed due to their attachment to fiber, which bypasses absorption. Essential means that our bodies cannot produce these amino acids, so we must obtain them through the food we consume. Proteins raise our blood sugar only slightly, and therefore have a minimal effect on insulin release. Proteins significantly contribute to our metabolic health by increasing muscle mass, decreasing body fat, supporting bone health, slowing the rate of aging, and enhancing mental fitness. Fats are classified as either saturated or unsaturated. It's important to move beyond the terms good fats or bad fats. Saturated fats are not the villains we were programmed to believe. Rather, saturated fat means that all the carbon molecules in their chemical structure are saturated with a hydrogen molecule. They also lack a double bond in their structure, which makes them solid at room temperature. This characteristic makes them very stable fats at high temperatures, unlike unsaturated fats. Research studies over the last 20 years have revealed compelling evidence that saturated fats do not clog our arteries, do not raise our cholesterol, and do not cause cardiovascular disease. Saturated fats include high-fat dairy such as butter and ghee, animal fats such as tallow and lard, and coconut oil. Unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature and do not have a hydrogen ion saturating each carbon molecule in their molecular structure. They also possess a double bond within their chemical structure, making them very unstable in high heat, which can lead to oxidation and rancidity. These fats include olive oil, avocado oil, fish oil, and seed and vegetable oils. It's worth noting that seed and vegetable oils are not products of vegetables or seeds. Rather, these names are marketing gimmicks, and they are manufactured in factories with chemical structures similar to industrial oils. Our bodies do not recognize the chemical structures of these seed and vegetable oils, and therefore they disrupt our metabolism. They can remain in our bodies for over 600 days, plugging up our cell membranes and making them partly dysfunctional, which contributes to decreased energy, fatigue, and disease. As mentioned, rather than naming fats as healthy or unhealthy, They would be more accurately renamed as natural and synthetic fats. The natural fats, such as butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and beef tallow, contribute to our health in a positive way. Fats do not raise our blood sugar at all, and therefore do not provoke insulin to be released. Fats provide an excellent energy source while they improve metabolism and body fat loss. Fats are essential for life.